More than 690 marine species are known to interact with marine litter. Turtles mistake floating plastic for jellyfish, and globally around one-third of all turtles are estimated to have eaten plastic in some form. Likewise, seabirds eat everything from plastic, toys, noodles, and balloon threads to foam, fishing floats, and glow sticks. Plastic waste is the scourge of our oceans, killing our wildlife, polluting our beaches, and threatening our food security. But there are solutions. The simplest and most effective solution might be to make the plastic worth money. Extending this idea to a deposit on all plastics at the beginning of their life cycle. As raw materials would incentivize collection by formal waste managers where infrastructure is available, but also by consumers and entrepreneurs seeking income where it's not. Before the plastic revolution, much of our waste was collected and burned, but the ubiquity, volume, and permanence of plastic waste demands better solutions.
The professor disclosure has shown additional evidence of fatal effect from damage to marine ecosystem, consuming the greatest impact from the use of plastic bags. From claiming the lives of several victims, such as the discovery of a number of dead turtle skeletons entangled in plastic, as well as some remains of coral reefs from marine ecosystem, not to mention on display was trash bottle drink. Therefore, it is necessary to apply strategies to save this so that damage to marine ecosystem is reduced, such as regulation on the use of plastic, which can only be used on shopping bags made of cloth so that they can be used repeatedly.
I'm agree about life below water because our oceans are stressed by warming and many marine species are threatened with extinction, which is to reduce marine pollution. First start, choose plastic bags, replacing them with reusable bags in an easy start. Lots of countries have banned plastic bags already, so replacing bottled water with your own reusable bottle, and if councils provide water taps around town. This easily eliminates another 200,000 tons of plastic every year. All we need is a couple of public taps, but managing our waste is also important. Thank you.
Pollution in oceans may indeed be affecting marine ecosystems. About 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans each year, and there is certainly no small amount of dead sea ecosystems. It contains chemicals that are obviously dangerous and difficult to remove, and ingesting marine animals can accumulate in its stomach. Plastic garbage should be managed by increasing the amount of recycling and then plastic garbage filtering in each drain, or we can replacing the bags with recyclable environmental bags.
By providing water taps around the city, it will cost a lot, and the cost of providing water taps is very high. The budget can be relocated for greenery or city parks instead of having to provide water taps around the city. Even using public water taps will easily transmit disease or bacteria. For the use of drinking bottles, there are lots of solutions not to use plastic bottles. For example, there are drinking bottles such as tumbler or thermos.
Even though it is more environmentally friendly than single-use plastic bags, shopping bags, whatever the material, it actually takes more energy to produce, distribute, and recycle. In addition, not all reusable bags are equal in terms of their ability to be recycled. The shopping bags used to shop for groceries is likely to contain a lot of bacteria. If the bag is used to carry meat, fish, fruit or vegetables, wash it diligently. It is recommended to wash it every time we use it to the market. We can also separate shopping bags for wet and dry groceries to prevent bacterial contamination.
Although environmentally friendly products can be used repeatedly, not all disposable plastic can pollute the environment as for recycling. Green products also produce waste in the process, but since they can be reused, such as environmental bags that have been used more than 100 times, they can affect the environment, which is to reduce the buildup of plastic litter.
Because actually it is not a material problem. Actually the material is good. It's just that the management needs to be improved. So instead of a ban, what we hope for is to carry out a succession of packaging, especially regarding this plastic bag. In the end, the plastic bag can be reused, so it doesn't disturb the environment.